And Highway 102, where is it from you? From I-40 and 102, where is that tornado? Begin one.
It's north.
Begin two. Begin two.
Northwest of I-102. And big elephant truck tornado. It's just northwest. It's north of I-40. And if you take our stream, you'll see it in the stream right there. It's a big elephant truck hanging out the back. And the tornado's going to be north of I-40.
Oh, my God.
It's about... Firelake Casino is going to be about 2 miles west-northwest of the Firelake Casino. Tornado on the ground. Big elephant tornado.
Okay, so it's north of 40, just northwest of the Firelake Casino. Is that right, David?
It's northwest of the Firelake Casino, about 2 miles. What's this supposed to do? Help me out here.
About 2 miles. Right, so Dale and South McLeod. It may go just north of the Shawnee Mall, but it's not going to be about very much. It's just north of 40. Dale, McLeod, Jacktown, and Meeker. Dale, McLeod, Jacktown, and Meeker. David, you can see it there on the screen. Elephant truck tornado on the ground. Go, David. There it is.
There it is. Hang on. It's naked. It's trying to come back south. It's hoping out, and it's actually trying to come back south. It's right there. Okay, hang on. It's over I-40, but it's actually broken south. Come on, we can get to it here. Okay, it's going away.
Dude, that's so fun.
It's going away.